Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore Sydney? Let's begin our journey with the iconic Sydney Opera House, a beacon of creativity and a symbol of Australia's cultural prowess. This architectural masterpiece, with its distinctive sail-shaped roofs, stands proudly on Bennelong Point, overlooking the sparkling Sydney Harbour. The Opera House is far more than just a visually stunning structure. It's a vibrant hub of culture and performing arts. From opera, ballet and symphony orchestras to contemporary dance and theatre, the Opera House is the beating heart of Sydney's cultural scene. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to human creativity, and its impact extends far beyond its function as a performing arts centre. It's a place where stories are told, ideas are explored, and creativity flourishes. And so, the remarkable Sydney Opera House sets the tone for our Sydney adventure. Next up, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, an emblem of Australia's ingenuity. Reaching across the sparkling waters of the harbour, this magnificent steel arch bridge stands as an enduring testament to human creativity and resilience. It's more than just a bridge, it's a symbol of unity, connecting Sydney's north and south coasts and facilitating the city's vibrant flow of life. Built in the early 20th century, it's a marvel of engineering, a testament to the tenacity of those who dared to dream it into existence. Over the years, it has become an essential part of Sydney's skyline, a silhouette that's recognized globally. For those with a bit of adventure in their hearts, the bridge climb experience offers a unique opportunity to scale its heights. Standing atop the bridge, you're greeted with panoramic views that stretch out over the city and harbour, giving you a sense of the grandeur that is Sydney. From the bridge, we take in the city in all its glory, ready for our next stop. Now we're off to the renowned Bondi Beach. A slice of paradise, Bondi Beach is a radiant spectacle of golden sands and azure waters, a haven for surfers and sunbathers alike. The beach pulsates with energy, its vibrant culture palpable in the air. From seasoned surfers riding the crest of the waves, to sunseekers lounging on the sands, it's a symphony of life and leisure. And when you're not basking in the sun or diving into the surf, there's the iconic Bondi Icebergs pool perched on a cliff with the ocean as its backdrop. This saltwater pool is a refreshing retreat, adored by locals and tourists. Then, there's the breathtaking Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. This picturesque trail weaves along the coast, showcasing stunning views of cliffs, bays, and rock pools. It's a walk that feeds the soul, a journey that lingers in the memory. After a day at Bondi, we're refreshed and ready to explore Sydney's green heart. Welcome to the Royal Botanic Garden, an oasis in the city. Nestled in the heart of Sydney, this verdant refuge is a haven for plant enthusiasts, boasting over 7,000 species from all over the globe. But it's not just a place to admire nature's beauty. The garden plays a crucial role in scientific research, contributing to our understanding of the world's flora. Here, botanists work tirelessly, studying, conserving, and classifying these diverse plant species. Let's not forget the calyx, a unique space that houses ever-changing horticultural exhibits. It's a living art gallery where plants paint a vibrant canvas. And for the best harbour views, make your way to Mrs. Macquarie's chair. This hand-carved sandstone bench, named after the wife of a former governor, offers a panoramic vista that will take your breath away, leaving the green tranquility behind. Our next stop is a wild one. Get ready for a close encounter with Australia's unique wildlife at Taronga Zoo. Situated on the shores of Sydney Harbour, this menagerie is a sanctuary to over 4,000 animals and a testament to conservation efforts worldwide. Here, you'll find everything from kangaroos and koalas to echidnas and emus. And let's not forget about the majestic Asian elephants and the stunning Sumatran tigers. But Taronga Zoo isn't just about the animals. It's also a platform for vital conservation programs that aim to protect species from the brink of extinction. The zoo's dedication to preserving biodiversity is a testament to its commitment to our planet's future. And, as if all this wasn't enough, Taronga Zoo also offers breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour. With the city skyline as a backdrop, this is undoubtedly one of the most picturesque zoos in the world. From the wild, we now travel back in time to Sydney's historic heart. Step into history at the Rocks, where Sydney began. Imagine the city's early settlers landing on these shores, laying the first cobblestones, and establishing what would become one of the most vibrant cities in the world. As you stroll through the quaint laneways, you'll feel the echoes of the past underfoot, reminding us of Sydney's rich heritage. The Rocks is far from a static monument to history. It's a living, breathing part of the city, boasting a wide array of heritage pubs where stories of old are shared over a cold pint. The area is also a vibrant hub for artisans, with markets that teem with unique creations, from handmade jewelry to one-of-a-kind pieces of art. Don't forget to venture to the Sydney Harbour Bridge pylon lookout. From this vantage point, you'll enjoy stunning views that juxtapose the old and the new, the historic and the contemporary. From history, we now ascend to new heights in Sydney. Prepare for a breathtaking view from the top of Sydney Tower Eye. Towering over the city's skyline, this architectural marvel stands as the second tallest observation tower in the Southern Hemisphere. An elevator ride whisks you up to the observation deck, nearly 1,000 feet above the bustling streets below. From this lofty perch, you are treated to an unobstructed 360-degree panorama of Sydney and its surrounding suburbs. Far below, the city unfolds like a patchwork quilt, a blend of architectural styles from modern skyscrapers to historic buildings, cradled by the sparkling blue waters of the harbour. For the thrill seekers, the Skywalk experience offers an adrenaline-fueled walk on the wild side, with an open-air, glass-floored viewing platform that provides a uniquely immersive perspective. As you descend from this vertiginous viewpoint, prepare to delve into Sydney's rich art scene. Now immerse yourself in art at the Art Gallery of New South Wales. Here, you'll find an extensive collection of Australian and international art that spans centuries. From Indigenous Australian art that tells the rich history of the country's first people, to modern and contemporary works that challenge and inspire. There's an abundance of creativity here to captivate your imagination. The gallery also hosts rotating exhibits, offering fresh perspectives and new insights with every visit. A must-try experience is the Art After Hours program, where the gallery comes alive with music, performances, and thought-provoking talks and tours, all under the enchanting evening sky. It's a unique opportunity to interact with art in a truly dynamic and engaging way. Art isn't just about observing, it's about feeling, thinking, and connecting. And there's no better place to do that than at the Art Gallery of New South Wales. With art in our hearts, we conclude our journey in Sydney's multicultural neighbourhoods. Finally, experience Sydney's cultural diversity. Let's take a stroll through the lively neighbourhoods of Sydney, each with its own unique charm and character. From the bustling streets of Chinatown to the trendy lanes of Surrey Hills, these locales offer a glimpse into Sydney's multicultural mosaic. Chinatown, with its vibrant red archways and lantern-lit walkways, is a stunning testament to Sydney's Chinese community. Here, you can indulge in a feast of flavors, from dim sum delights to Peking duck, each dish telling a story of cultural exchange and adaptation. Meanwhile, Surrey Hills is a hub of culinary innovation. This neighborhood, known for its trendy eateries and cafes, is a foodie's paradise where you can sample a fusion of flavors from around the globe. It is here that Sydney's multiculturalism really shines, as chefs incorporate influences from their diverse backgrounds into their creations. But Sydney's cultural diversity extends beyond its food scene. This city is a melting pot of traditions and customs, each community contributing to the city's rich tapestry of cultures. From the vibrant Diwali celebrations of the Indian community to the colorful parades of the Sydney Mardi Gras, Sydney is a city that embraces and celebrates its diversity. The city's multicultural society also contributes to a diverse array of music, art, and dance. Whether it's the rhythmic beat of African drumming, the delicate brushstrokes of Asian calligraphy, or the spirited moves of Latin dance, Sydney offers a world of cultural experiences at every turn. As we delve deeper into Sydney's neighbourhoods, we discover that each one is a microcosm of the city's cultural diversity. Each street, each corner, each building echoes with the voices of diverse communities, each one adding a unique note to Sydney's symphony of cultures. As we savour the flavours of Sydney, we realise that our journey through this vibrant city has been as diverse and dynamic as Sydney itself.